Learn English and translate to Arabic. This lesson, body parts human. Head. Head. I have a head. My head has hair. I can turn my head. Eyes. Eyes. I have two eyes. My eyes can see. I close my eyes to sleep. Nose. Nose. I have a nose. My nose smells flowers. I can sneeze with my nose. Mouth. Mouth. I have a mouth. My mouth eats food. I can speak with my mouth. Ears. Ears. I have two ears. My ears hear music. I cover my ears when it's loud. Arms. Arms. I have two arms. My arms can hug. I can wave with my arms. Hands. Hands. I have two hands. My hands can clap. I can write with my hands. Fingers. Fingers. I have fingers. My fingers can point. I count with my fingers. Legs. Legs. I have two legs. My legs can run. I can jump with my legs. Feet. Feet. My feet can walk. I can kick a ball with my feet. Shoulders. Shoulders. I have shoulders. My shoulders can carry bags. I shrug my shoulders. Chest. Chest. I have a chest. My chest moves when I breathe. I feel my heart in my chest. Back. Back. I have a back. My back can bend. I scratch my back. Stomach. Stomach. I have a stomach. My stomach feels hungry. I rub my stomach when it hurts. Neck. Neck. I have a neck. My neck holds my head. I wear a necklace around my neck.